Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. So today, I'm going to give you proof that 9 plus 10 equals 21.
What?
It's proof! I'm going to change everything you ever thought you knew about math, okay? So I'm going to write, 9 plus 10 equals blank. Right there, 9 plus 10 equals blank. Okay. Well, I'm gonna ask the question. What is 9? Well, 9 is 3 times 3. 3 times 3 equals 9, right? What's 10? 5 times 2 equals 10, right?
Mm-hmm. Right.
Now the catch right here is, so if I'm just gonna split these guys, you see, and so now we have 3 and 5 and 3 and 2. Well, what's 3 times 2?
6.
3 times 2 is 6, correct. And what's 3 times 5?
15.
Right? And what's 15 plus 6?
21.
Exactly. And since 3 times 3 equals 9, and 5 times 2 equals 10, and since 3 times 2 equals 6, and 3 times 5 equals 15, which is related to 9 and 10 because of its multiplicative values, and the results being added up, 9 plus 10, without a doubt, equals 21. What do you think about this problem?
I think that's some new math that I don't know about. I don't know.
It's true, is it not?
No.
What? How?
9 plus 10 can't be 21.
Then what is it?
19.
How?
Because 10 plus 9 is 19.
But when you break it into its multiplicative values, 3 times 3 and 5 times 2, there's something called cross multiplication that we learned in 4th grade. 3 and 3 and 5 and 2.
Yeah.
Cross multiplication, you see. And 3 and 5 is 8, and 3 and 2, no, that's not cross multiplication. 5 and 3 is 8, and 3 and 2 is 6, which means they're not equal values. I don't know where I'm going with this, but since they're not equal values, it means that their multiplicative values can't be the same, which is why 3 times 3 equals 9, and 5 times 2 equals 10. Well, this is what I'm getting at with cross multiplication, 3 times 2 may equal 6, and 5 times 3 may equal 8, and if you add those, 8 plus 6, what do you get? You get 14. Alright?
So that means 9 plus 10 equals 14.
But no, but there's more, because what's the number that we start with? What's the number that most reoccurs often? 3. You see, 3. Well, if we do 14 plus 3, what do we get? We get 17. Okay, you see, we get 17. And then we're going to have to 17 times 2, because the relations of 3 also relates to 3 times 2. So we're going to multiply 7 times 2, and it would equal
7 times 2 is 14.
17 times 2.
Oh, 17 times 2. 34.
Which would equal 34. And then, what do we have left in the bottom numbers that weren't 3s? 5 and 2. So we're going to add them, because 5 plus 2 equals 7. Well, then we're going to do 34 divided by 7. You know? I actually don't know what's 34 divided by 7.
I don't know that one off the top of my head.
How cool. I'm drawing an area model. 34, 7. 7 times 3
It's 21.
is 21. And 34 minus 21 is 13. And 7 by itself is 7, of course. And 13 minus 7 would equal 6. And you can't do anything with that. So it would be, the answer would be, because 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 with a, so 34 divided by 7 is 8 with a remainder of 6. So equals 8 with a remainder of 6, as you can see right there. And so, what do we do with those numbers? Well, you know how we had 17. We're going to do a little thing I like to call 17 minus 8, and then we're going to get 9. Okay? And then, you know the numbers that we also added, we're also going to multiply them. And what we're going to do is we're going to do 5 times 2. And 5 times 2 equals 10, right?
Mm-hmm.
And so now we have 9 and 10, the two numbers that we started with. Well, what happens if we add them? Well, it goes all the way back to this problem, which just proves, because my teacher always told me if you did the inverse, it would equal the question. And the question was 9 plus 10. And we used 21 to get back to our question right here. So 9 plus 10, without a doubt, equals 21. It's true, is it not? So how do you feel about this brainstorm?
I'm still confused.
Well, whenever you hear that meme, 9 plus 10 equals 21. Whenever you hear that meme, know the guy's not stupid. Rather, he's right, and you're the stupid ones. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down what you think about this theory. Share this video with your friends if you want them to be confused like my dad. And stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching. I think I already covered that stuff. Goodbye.